how to fix no media volume, no sound, no audio problem on your Android device. So if you want to fix your no media, sound, and audio volume, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with About Phone. And here, if you have any software updates, then you just need simply go and check for it and update your software. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back and then go with your search on your settings and search for reset. After searching, tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, and Bluetooth, and then tap on Reset Settings, which will be on the bottom, and reset your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is go back, and now you need to search for sound. After searching for your sound, you need to just simply go with your sound assistant or sounds and vibration and make sure that your phone is not on do not disturb or it's not on vibration. So make sure to allow all of the options from your sounds and vibration. Make sure all of these toggles are turned on or these sliders are turned on. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.